All across the world, monuments from distant times hide clues to our past. Archaeologists often find these cultural heritage objects lying in ruins of eroded stone fragments.
When we discover a broken or eroded historic object, we wonder what happened and how did this affect the original monument. We would like to restore the original monument as faithfully as possible. But in order to do that, there are many problems we have to solve.
PRESIOUS is a collaborative EU-funded research project spread across 3 countries: Norway, Greece and Germany. We set out to help cultural heritage practitioners with some of the important challenges that they face. Specifically, the restoration of fragmented objects, the completion of missing parts, the prediction of erosion, and the speeding up of 3D scanning.
Before computer work can be done on the objects, it is necessary to digitize them in 3D.
Restoring a fragmented object is like solving a 3D puzzle where some pieces are missing. And in the case of large collections, it is hard or even impossible to accomplish this for the human mind.
A computer can help in solving such a 3D puzzle by painstakingly going through all possible combinations, checking how well pairs of fragments fit together, and proposing possible assemblies to the archaeologist.
Once an object has been reassembled from its fragments, some parts may still be missing.
Using symmetries and other shape properties, we can have a fairly good guess at finding the missing parts. This can be used to complete the 3D scan of the 3D object or to 3D print the missing parts. But none of these techniques are applicable unless we have 3D digitizations of the cultural heritage objects. During a scan at an archaeological site, the computer could try to find similar pre-scanned objects. It could thus propose the complete object or comment, "It looks like you're trying to scan a sherd of a Hellenistic amphora."
We need to know how erosion can affect a monument in the future, like the statues on the west facade of Nidaros Cathedral. The PRESIOUS project can help us make preservation decisions in the future.
We built erosion chambers to simulate specific erosion parameters, like pollution, freeze and thaw, and the effects of salt. A lot of data was acquired, which is being made publicly available. This data have been used to create an erosion simulator that can predict the effect of erosion on stone monuments.
The tools developed during the PRESIOUS project are publicly available to help archaeologists address these challenges.